FB10 guys.
Guys, naupuan ko siya, hindi siya nabasag.
Pero we don't recommend sitting on
Yeah.
Don't, because it's made out of titanium. You're the one who's gonna get broken.
It's obsidian.
Is this mine?
Okay.
Kailangan nyo na magsuot kasi lumiliwanag na.
Tapos, parang gumagaan yung meaning ah.
Hindi, pero sa totoo, no joke siya. No joke siya. 'Di ba alam naman natin yung mga JBL, ano talaga siya, parang advanced yung system niya sa mga music. So, maganda talaga siya. Hindi namin kayo inuuto. Kaya, bili na kayo.
Wow! Grabe na ang mga lines
Yeah, no, but for real though, all jokes aside, we're still very thankful for this partnership that we got. Because we ourselves use JBL products before, so it's just so cool, you know, to be able to partner with them. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for more. We're always gonna be doing something. And of course, special thanks again to 이상철 선배님. 너무 감사합니다. 사랑해요.
사랑하고!
사랑해. Okay, end the live. Someone do it.
Yeah,
Bye
because-
guys.
Bye!
Isa pa last bili na kayo kasi
Okay,
painit na yung panahon.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Annyeong!
Bye guys.
Guys, kalimutan niyo.
Love you.
Annyeong!